Hey, welcome to Bigfoot's Cave. Got a little something different. Little tiny tool. Got it from the Zon. Chrome. I think I'm saying it right. Uh, yeah, check it out. So if you want to hang out, let's check it out. Oh, here's the box. There's your foam tray. And there is your micro ratchet. And as you can see, there's no doubt that's a micro ratchet. Got, oops, sorry. Decent, I'm having a hard time focusing. Decent, no slop. Not easy to do when you got hands like mine. Decent chatter. Not too bad to switch it, even with my paws. Like some of the other smaller ones, you can extend it or find the flat spot, drop it in. Then you got a micro ratchet with an extension. Hold that thought. Because I am who I am, and I can't leave well enough alone. Because, yep, I'm the Weisenheimer. So, we got the micro ratchet with the Diablo extension. Their extension, Diablo extension, and then a longer Torx bit. I should be able to get almost anywhere now, and that holds in. Magnet locks up pretty good for a little tiny thing. I'm actually kind of impressed. And it's got a knurled top, so you can use your fingers, get it started like the old plastic speeders. Not bad. So far, I think it's pretty cool. We'll find out in a few months how it holds out, but considering you're not going to be putting mass torque on this thing, because you're usually going to be using it for ultra tiny stuff, I think this thing will work fine. Appreciate everybody that watches the channel, everybody that subscribed, everybody that likes, dislikes, whatever's. You know, all communications, good, bad, indifferent. It's all good. It's all helpful. Sorry about the babble. I was having a hard time getting everything disconnected with one hand. But I kind of like it. But I like little oddball tools. So once again, everybody, thanks for watching. Have a good day.